zo'n broer dat ziet, wordt helemaal gek.
Huh?
Dat is zo'n hekel aan mieren.
Oh, echt? Ja, dan wordt hij gek, ja.
Ik stuur
I
hem
always
gewoon
snapping when I see
ik
this
stuur hem zo'n
camera.
enorme
Huh?
kaart met die mieren.
That's why trekking is expensive because including the bite.
Oh, oké.
Including the bite.
So in the past, this is not big. You can see 3 times than this bigger. So in the past, you know, in the past when you have a cut, or people have a cut, so they don't have needle that time. So what they do, they find the big one. After they cut, they cut together like this, and you cut the head. So the head still like this holding.
Yeah.
Find another one. Tell them to bite. Find another one. So they're full of head here.
Yeah.
After a week, they will eat all the meat sorry together. Then, yeah, that's what we do in the past.
Alles al een hechting.
You see in the movie about the jungle, stuff like that, yeah? Yeah, you get it?
Ja, thank you. In het eerste geen funny.
But don't touch if you see the big one, yeah, because it's moving directly. So maybe you want to take a picture under the big tree?
Yeah, 16, yes, why not?
Nice. Couple.